I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remotely sign out of TikTok on a single device. Step 1. Tap Profile on your TikTok home screen. Your TikTok profile screen opens. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen and then tap Settings and Privacy in this menu. The associated screen is displayed. Step 3. Navigate to the Account section and then tap Security and Permissions. Options associated with your TikTok account are displayed. Step 4. Tap Manage Devices. The Manage Devices screen opens where you'll see a list of all of the devices you've logged into TikTok on. Step 5. Find the specific device that you want to remotely sign out of TikTok on and then tap the delete icon next to that account. A window pops up asking if you want to remove the specific device. Step 6. Tap Remove. That device is removed from this list and you'll be logged out of TikTok on that device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.